baby voice rap. Baby voice. What you saying? Rappers with like baby voices? Like, oh, that's my dog. Yeah. I get you. Yo, it's Key Glock. This is a show about culture, and I'm gonna let you know if these things are in or out. Leather pants for a meal. I can't answer that. I can't speak for them. But for me, I know how to drip them junk. See, it's a difference when Glock got them on. And you might see somebody else with them on. This is a different story. I know I can rock them. I rocked them before. Congress. Taking edibles on planes. I don't like edibles on the ground, so no, I don't do it. Gus.
Like Casper Gus.
I know. Hold on. I don't know if I'm supposed to agree on the ghost or not.
Memphis, haunted.
That's why I want to skip it. I don't want to talk about the ghost. Merc or milk?
Milk. Like
No, in the South we say merc. Yeah, I eat cereal any time of day. EMINEM'S new album. I haven't listened to it. I don't know when I'm gonna listen to it. I'm just being 100. So, go either way. Bernie Sanders. Hold on. Oh yeah, on Twitter the news now, so I know a little something about politics. Salt and vinegar flavored chips, I eat them every day. Blue bag, Lay's, LIME-A-RITA. I don't like nothing lime flavor or margarita, so. White chocolate. I don't know. I like the white chocolate basketball player, and I like Hershey's cooking cream. But I don't like chocolate. So it could go either way. Bourbon. Bourbon got something to do with liquor and beer, huh? I don't do nan one. Huh?
Little mustaches. You know, like a tash, like a little.
Oh, mustaches. Swipe. I don't feel it. Baby voice rap. Baby voice. What you saying? Rappers with like baby voices? Like, oh, that's my dog. Yeah. I get you. Hey, man, some of them folks be hard rapping like that. If you know what they saying, it's hard. Catfishing. I ain't with it. Man, not play with me like that. Nah, neck pillows. Nah, they cap. They overrated. Horses. Yeah, I like horses. Yeah, horses.
Would you ride?
No, yeah, I ridden a horse. My car, my McLaren. Got a lot of horses. That's it. That's what I think. Tell me what you think.